Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
You can bring my children out of life. That's why we weigh me down. Do you think you can weigh me down? And I'm even happy. I was looking for opportunity to bring my children out because my children, they are hardworking people. One is fashion designer. One is a hairdresser. One is house builder. What did I explain all this to my children? My children know me. Lolo, you are the one who they here. They know me with your fake accounts. Nothing I will explain. My children are so beautiful. My children are so beautiful. They are so gorgeous. Please, Lolo, don't cover their face. You are making me too angry. Don't cover their face. Put them the way you take them from the album. When you are doing that, you are making me to vex. Don't make me to vex you. Remove what you put in their eyes. Even though I think I can't stand up for you, remove. Melissa, what? Well, no, you're very zingering. Do you think my children look like you? You live in a leather after leather Canada. You are still remain the same, man. Damn shit. Damn shit. Who write this one? Do you think you can paint my children like this? With this your comments are rubbish? Why should you cover their eyes? My children, they are so gorgeous, they're so beautiful. Why did you cover their face? See, you when say, I don't like what you are doing. See, we are may the Lord, you don't let me, don't let me release this curse where you get my mouth on you. Because I will never release any curse. It's too early. You don't say you don't like what you want me to swear for your children? I cannot do that. And if you let me do it because my children is on Facebook, somebody pick their picture and put it there, I will do it. Don't go there and say you don't like what I'm doing. If you don't when you don't like, Zuo. Are you crazy? Why should you do that like this? When my bag I go no robo, screenshot time. It's called Rolex. Baby, you know what is called Rolex? You know how much it costs? Why should you cover their eye? Man, no way. If you don't mind, I'll block you. All right? Don't let me block you, baby. Don't let me block you. Don't let me block you. Why should you cover their eyes? Oh, Jesus Christ. Do you think cover their eye like this is going to help you? Can you see your mona see the husband boko? Please, guys, today around 3 o'clock, come and join me. Let me put my children, my grandchildren aside. Compare with Lolo children that lives here. Who be like Akpasioko? Who be like Akpazozo? Melissa, all those one where they shout for your house like you friend, bring them out. Bring your face as first where be like who they smoke igbo. Down your face where be like only Morocco. Where be like ring day. Bring it out, you motherfucker. Let's compare our children. Come out here. I want you to carry your children and let them compare my own with your own. You get the ghost. You say you won't carry my children for Facebook. Monica, my children's birthday. If I show them, please tell them happy birthday for me. Uda. You are not telling us you are the bad one. You are not VBA. If you're not via Facebook. Or via Facebook, you're not send the ego. Who are better? If you're precious, make. Ogun boy. Last catch up. If you will be a mafia. Una remember that time go copy people. Go say mother and daughter ashawo. Whereas you do are most ashawo in the whole world. Who me last car bobo. Who when ashawo na wa no. Oh, ba. Ashawo na mama. Uko no rogo do no we. Ugbe o. Pisi for us. When on yo wa. Monica Lare avawe na kon ye story. Ina no we me Monica okia. Ina no sevede no okay. We wo le Monica okia. E Monica we yete mo pe anu we wo mo pe anu we makwe. Okay de ken we ga Monica ke wanyo ni. E Monica no sevede o. Ina we anyo ne bu ani muru e Monica won. Anyo na agbe. We yo owe be ga gbe agbe o baba we gbori o we gbo. Mona kon yesterday today. Come I hear a word. Ni no imega no a question. Or wa mo Monica no a question. Oh be twisted, or twisted. It's a manipulator twistiriga. It's a ruputudu. You baba. Ime when ya. Ime da kimi lade. When so snap me when we can. Don't tell me it's okay. I don't want to swear for you with my tongue. Because there's something in this tongue, this element. Don't do that. Don't do that. Because they are yatable. You see, say I maintain my lane. Yeah, even no, we're okay. We're then in Malika one yo. No, now, we got river. Daniel one more, or that from where or that from Malika. You ain't when I'm young one. Ah, where when Monica no organizing, and you're not a Mureni and any Monica saying, okay, when Monica is here, you go. Wait, la. Oh, we are the toaster. I can't say, I'm not the type. You are not the type. What are you even doing with the boy? What are you talking with a boy? Somebody like me now have a husband at home. Nobody can excuse me. If you are not my husband friend, if you are not my brother, or if you are not my friend or colleagues for working place, nobody can excuse me. Are you getting it? Where are you see? Ogwan gbowa, even juju ogbowa. Why not go do juju? I be jujulistic. They carry my name go. Monica beg. Repeat that word. Where Lolo carry my name go for the doctor. And you know so no repeat now. A lot of Monica ta what money me are you double. Una gagbe. Oh he be me we can go bear. Wa gbok pa igbisi. Omo are you book kan ori me. When are you book kan pabo? Oh go man alalo who me your pika. You go no say I'm not your pika. Lolo is a snake. So what did I do yesterday? Pain you, it shock you, it shock you. You think you can use fake account to bring my children here so that they will say it's not you. It's you. I beg, just carry, leave. If I like, anywhere I like, I can mention Monica her name. It's not your business. You are not Monica. Alright? Are you Monica? Are you Monica this early morning? You want to come up with me happy birthday? Go. Now you be Monica. You might say the bay, I want the bay. I want bay. It can all have vano cocoa. Go. You might take a day by either group in energy. But this time around, you are dead by Monica. Who won't cry? Oh, God, Monica, I might not buy man. Or a mammy no man of your look. A lot of come man and not the buyer. Oh, no, Monica may I the buy. Why, Vienna? Why have you been here like that? Since why have Monica and what you here like that? Where would it go to Monica and one man? You got a way block on this. Who got to buy your other Monica and you got way to buy your other son? Oh, Bulwa. Awon ojan. Do no ka sie ni ma be Monica na gbe. Eyin oro toto. Eyin oro toto ojan. Egwa. Ona agwa. Eyin oro toto ya. O ga call yan kan ma gi on ge Melissa. I call hello. Good morning, my sweethearts. Cry children. Why are you table? When I bring Mama Beatrice, why are you insulting someone with wisdom? I beg God, come on for your divine. Divine, I beg. Divine, stop it. Stop it. Divine, stop it. Then I have here nothing. Where your husband? Get out of here. If you still see my husband, put on there. My husband is a handsome guy. If you see my husband, put on for Facebook. He's a handsome guy. All those women where they want fuck my husband, I ain't they jealous so. They want fuck my husband cassava. British, we know your husband. British, because you need a dick. If you know my husband, put it on Facebook because you need a dick. Need to yen any dick balwo he liar sile. No river, not to buy you. Make it gone. So that we are told we will you win and oh how much was when you I was shower. I was shower, mama. Useless people. I beg guys, join me online today. Let me show you my children. I don't need anybody to cover their face. It just show who it be. When I remember 2 years ago, I saw a drum picture when I snap, when I sleep, where it go bigger. It bigger. I attach my you know say when I dey sleep, me and my daughter resemble where. He go carry that picture, carry my in-law join her, carry children join her. Lolo, you will never die well. Yeah, can you book away? Okay, if I say touch you in a bad way, may the Lord punish me and my children. If I never one day touch your own in a bad way, just to happy birthday, you will know where. Okay, now, who the money go G? It's like who fit on nothing I do it. Ben, where I read where I yell la group, near where I yell la group. I want you guys to come and see my beautiful children, guys. Around 3 o'clock, or maybe no we even reach. Okay, if I quit sleep, I'll quit wake up. When I bath, dress, I want to show. I'll come bring this picture when Lolo takes something cover. Like wow, you cannot cover my children like this. No way. I will never accept it because my children is so beautiful. I will never accept it. Lolo, you better open their eye. Remove that picture, love come off of their eye. Remove them. Remove one. Don't cover their face. It's not acceptable. Lolo, with your fake account and your picture is there. We have him in your way. Oh, born in Ogmen Ladiani. This picture, where he did this. Oh, man, no re, man. Abe man, no re, man. In you wow, me, where I believe. Everybody, why he is a lobuba. He guys a lobuba. What I mean? Unless while I mama be sorry. Me, why only me? You can insult me to the core. But my children and my in-law, when they are not on Facebook, even though they are there or they are on Facebook, you go use your hand, carry them because they do saga. Melissa, bring your children. If you not bring your children, maybe my sisters and brother where they Canada, they will bring your children for me. They will bring your children and yourself, idiots. Or you know, they Canada, you know, condemn ya. You know, ya, whoa, I want Zua, I want better. Zua, downloads, my picking. Downloads. What's up, no do get in an affair motokian. ó sọ pé pẹ̀pẹ̀. Ó sọ pé gẹ̀gẹ̀. Ó sọ pé gẹ̀gẹ̀. Ò download wẹ̀lú. Agùn ẹ̀ ò má pé. Ò má wà ní ìgbò. Ebi ẹ̀ no mo say okay. You download now. Now this one me no go live for this video today. Make I download them down. May I download them down. 3 o'clock now go like Facebook. So that me make na be avi mi ibi me la de bi me mo fe gbe ni a. Iwa mu ya le radio e man. Stupid. Oh yeah, download now. I don't know why they do like this, eh? I can't download the YouTube because I not download and I cannot play. Now download the Yagbole Yakwa. No, if you must like if not that was their power, they say he killed them. Oh wow. If you let I don't want carry the come outside because they grown enough. That's why I didn't do that. That's why I didn't do it. But since me lot of people say, now that one will take the pepper me. See, let me put it out there. Let me put it out there. So that they make it act by free. Wa mi ye me mulada. Una mi ye me mufia be ba ni. Mufia be da ni. If you know the year me shop, because after all you are not too sharp. You are a stupid woman, I never know. But like, eh? What you mean? You are a stupid man. Me go, amen. Just download the Agbo Bolokwa. Agbolokwa. Today we go le yakwa. With your top posterity, my pikin dey do like me. Imam bi omo no wo wa be Nigeria. Di mi e we po. Imuna. O be ni na. Oni ma ya nyenye lolo be na. Muja na ka download the email. Now download the email. Picture when you carry, may I just show now. When Lolo put for the Lolo ogun ogbu Alaska check up. Why see picture when Lolo put for the cover. Don't cover them. Are you stupid? Lolo, why are you covering my children, my in-law? Oh, blah. This Bini man. Hey, Baba Shuke. Hey, Bini man. Why, who be this man? Hello? No. We go fi alatin oni e koko me kwaye na ya fi. O fi alatin agbe akwa. Yeah, I worry. We see. I worry, ya refu I worry, we see. Me, I worry. You know, I worry. We see, Zania. Lolo, I won't give them to you, may bully them well. Anybody want to bully my in-law with my children, with my in-law, see, bully. When you bully today, you bully tomorrow, I hope you will rest. This is my in-law, this is my daughter. Don't be let that one picture now get. Now this one you carry come. In the afternoon, I'm coming to download you more of my children. All of them will come out. That are you stupid? Do you think my small boy be like your husband? But oh, you know what's there? Not the weird no more say. He choose beneath my way fitter. He not choose a day Jova. Hello. Hey, honestly. Bele. Oh, well, me ma be me. Hey, John, I am your mom re.
That great when mommy people bring you corners and when mommy can walk in now, let it go now. You must go back. Lord, no better for you. No better for you as a sister. Now do suffer for this Facebook, eh? Now do suffer for this Facebook. Now do suffer. Even I say mommy be not get it. You not get it. Now don't get to bomb. Useless people.
Ye?
You're picking your last one when you head like trade and with mommy people. You don't see picking. You don't even share. You they send it to say, I want to show you picking. You don't see how people stand picking when they Nigeria. That your last one when you head been like trade and stone. You don't see your husband or Christian and his man.
Now worry, yeah, cause so now
You go to suffer.
no worry, you are got back to your peace. The beating.
Fight for you. I go see whether na only ladies I go fit fight for you. You go see all the people when fight for you, they don't turn to your enemy because of your bad head.
I want pick your call at the corner.
We don't know you now. We don't know you. Monica said we don't know you. We don't know you. We don't know you. Everybody don't know you now. Nobody wants to support you again. This Facebook, we go to use you sweet grants.
Oh man, as a boy, one. Nyala be man, no dey be calling. Nyala, how they are calling? Nyala. Hello, ye. Eh? Good morning. Mo e other phone na mo le do na ye mi gun ya o. No ni no ya gun ya o, gun me ki e wo. Oh, no bully ya, no bully ya. Imo la dia avale na ivili ni la dia. Imi avie ya ye Facebook na. I bet share. I want to put my children. One bully yi ge me o. Gun me fi ya la dia ije, gun me fi ya la dia. Gun fi la dia ni ya ye wa ye fuwa. Eh. Oma. E betenia. Imi avie ya via Facebook na. Give me out that thing and okay. Yeah, I feel like now. Awa. Hey, yeah, man, make it out. Agbaka, yeah, mammy, I'll go where there you. When are you seeing?
Oh my God.
Yeah, ma on in ya. Mama Jagun, every year your Facebook. What of you? Mama na via equal no. E no leki a medenu way ni abu ekpai. Ibi me we yaku. Imi avio yona. Eh, imi avio yona. Iya ibi a loreva. Yo. Mel. Later now. Go. Hey. Una ya ye ni guya why? Are you stupid? Okay, when you marry a big cutty good. My in-law and my sweet daughter. Ovia dono na binima. Ovia do maro yesan. Ageno tata. Ovia do maro yesan. Geno tata. Ovia do maro yesan. But if Benin people can bully their brother, I will not say na shame of them. If they bully their brother, I will not say they be she kurubali. Because I never want the bully person husband. I never want the bully people children. Oh, wow. Elalo. Wow, fiangu. Iyo, wamudia. Elalo, you want to carry? Come and carry on my family. Don't do that. Lolo, carry my children. You need them? Carry my first daughter with my granddaughter. Guys, they say I'm not born. When I'm in West York, Melissa, wow. No, why they call this one Sam wife? No. You don't get that one. Hey, Sister Queen, no. Hey, Bobby, go. I did find my darling. Yes. Here I am with picture one like go be very Latin. Here na ye mi gwi awo. Mekwe. Here we me ma bia gun egbele ya kwa. Yo. Me o. Actually me gun vi an Latin. Okay, talk to me. Star Queen, wait now. I know now, Star Queen, wait. Sister Queen. No, I'm not gonna do saga, Sister Queen. On my saga. If they do this one, they provoke me. No, listen, Sister Queen. Wait a minute. No, I need my children to be on Facebook so that I can be wishing the happy birthday. No. I don't want to cut you through away. I give you rest. No. I want that so that I can be wishing my children happy birthday. No, don't tell me that. I'm a mother. Let me prove it today. I'm a mother. No! Esther Queen, worry I wa. Esther Queen, me o iya we me mabie. Iya mi omo viola dia. Go we via ya yi Facebook. Yeah, okay now, later. Okay, thank you, later. Okay, later now. Share this video, guys. Okay, thank you. I am. Where's it? Come. You won't cost me? Go cost me on live video. I say on live video cost me. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Oma, bye. No, they're not fitting. Wait, nah. A queen, be like say you don't understand what they do here. You just come. No, it be like say you don't understand this video. What would they do? Sakwe, when I understand the video in my own. Sister Queen, we're working at the. You know, wait, Sister Queen, wait till you understand about this video. Sister Queen. No, not be yesterday. Yesterday have passed. You just the corner. What do you understand I'm doing? Sister Queen, where are we, me? Go and fear like that. You might only fear for me. Oh, but okay, now bye. Later. Where's it? Okay, where's it? My only judge for you. Oh, idiot. You know what? Bye. Every day, I'll carry your children out to. I'll bring your children out to. I'll do the child. No. We was thinking it's Monica that's doing those things. We didn't know it's you. Evil. I know saying now you the job because now you right from day one, now you carry precious men children, you match her with man. Right from day two, now you bring one woman, you say with picking Ashawo, but right from day three, you say people come out for Libya, you put her with your children and your husband, but right now that one fair cause trouble between you and Abuson. Let me just give you all the children. So that do we are who are Bolian. No we are all. My people. As he carried this picture, put for there. Who were more picture be melody. Then you must say, you when other book about that for most of video. Uzuo. When most say video. If you make when my baby batter not by. When most say, Omona, till chicken I drop, see, oh, you fear. Where go. Larry, my grandchildren, my lovely children. What have you? What have you? If you want to rebel Moses of men and all pokopokona. If you men a fear, if you want Moses a video. I don't see they bring more video. If you want web gear a webo, a Melissa, who will be a lot of wagon. Where or if you wear your if you wear or why are Nigeria. Lao go, Salobama Lao. Uwe moti ya ona. E moti ya guy. If you why you nana, yama guy, they are just relaxing. There, your people be like this. If you want web here, we boo. They be like this. Zara. Viens. Il me vient nous we have your key. Oh God. Hey guy, if you want most Savina. If you want web beer, man, I'm so happy you do that because I was thinking, whose day they do birthday here? They do birthday my people on the 15th. I said, what is wrong with me? If it's not Facebook, I cannot able to bring my children out to wish them happy birthday. And they wish another people happy birthday. I cannot wish my children happy birthday. Which kind of nonsense Facebook is this? Thank God, God punish you. You go bring them. For now, they are free. Anybody want to bully them, bully them. If I ever bully your children, it will be well with you. If not, it will not be well with you. I never want to bully anybody, children, on my face. Tame, Holland, Gilma, Dovio, go. My grandchildren, they are beautiful. The one when you see for Facebook now, I will show you. Our monogi. Hey, are you fine? In Nigeria, good morning, my sweethearts. I see you. Vivi love, I see you. They put my children, see, my children, they are so beautiful, baby. They are so gorgeous. Gorgeous children. This one are their birthday. And what's that? If you marry a church, you go in a venue, Mosiwa. Or say, if you were Violadian. Ya compare, Nana. Oh, we no gay. Gay. Via, wag, bell. If you may wear, if you may wear, ya compare you way. Because I just want to let it go. I don't want anybody on Facebook. Not carry my children. Hey, we get out. I'm not getting it. And women never kidnap. Who kidnap me? Vian where we profile. Vivi men where we ogun blow Alaska check. Me didn't go. And they can women marry release audio. Need to release in your papa. Audio wayan ne. Audio wayan ne big wayan ye. When wow, even many use them, do comparison with you. Who told you to cover their face? Oh, boy. Look there, I cover their face with love. No, remove love. They love themselves before. They love themselves before. You think? Enough is enough. Enough on. Now only one picking gets. The one when you see carry. Not be only one picking you see. Carry. Why when me no another muri, if they do bully yakwa. Why when me no give again another mure igbole yakwa. Ijene. I not a ring again. Last thing again, I saw if I do. He go carry me when I did so atarapa. When I did participate that for chill with my pregnancy. He carry me for the but wow. You think you can use the children to suffocate me? Nana, you know what make person see children. Thank God. I even thank you. You bring the acts. You bring the acts. It's their birthday. I beg. These two is their birthday for this month. So I don't feel they keep them hide the gay. It's their birthday. Wait there. These two is their birthday. This month is their birthday. It's time for them to shine. It's their birthday, guys. This two, the queen and the prince. It's their birthday. Queen and prince. It's their birthday. It's their birthday. You can copy it and put it happy birthday. You see, and I they drag me. They say, Lord, sir. Nigeria, with moto. Essa far. Nigeria, wish the happy birthday for me, Tani. It's their month of years. Maybe it's their time to shine. That they ask him, these two children. The guy waiting that they do, I can't show them. But it's like I'm hiding their destiny. You think you can bring my in-law come on. Nobody will know for me. Oh, boy. Well, I try not to say, oh, era. If Papa de London, you go away nonsense dog. A Birmingham in here, Google, Lolo. That Birmingham when you do, will not contain you. That village of Birmingham when you do, will not contain you. You stupid woman. Birmingham will not contain you. Look at local place say Abahas. I'm coming for you. Abahas. Anyway, I ran to what with Birmingham. Oh, what I want to say 400. Who shall buy? You know how much they buy house. You think only one salary can buy house? Obey way. Obey way. Why are you in because I just want to, because they grow, you know why I don't put them? Because they're big enough to put themselves into social media. I don't want to use my hand to bring it before. Because they are more than 18 years. That's why I keep quiet. Since you think, say, you go use that one, because they say, I bring it. Oh, go on, Buelas can check or lie. Lolo can lie. Lolo can, it can spoil people's name. It can manipulate people's brain. Or got in the name of, or got our sugar bay. Ayela lamit. Or got sugar bay, or got buy yo. Uwe mata. Or got buy yo. The way they talk the lie, we want to. He go do you. Okay, you know how many people they call and say, what mommy, what these people do? Well, because they fight for me, they are trying to control me, they are trying to swallow me, they are trying, I'll complete that one. They are trying to swallow me, they are trying to control me, they don't want me to talk. If I talk, they'll say, you're not talking. Where? Who was controlling you? Your mouth. Can someone control your mouth? Can somebody control your mouth? Baggage. All my lover way wrong go meet and see what they do. Bad it. When I wrong go. Mommy be what you do. Mommy, because I say it's evil. Na evil. I near wrong when I near wrong. I near and say, oh Papa, oh Monica here, oh. I near wrong. I said, whoa, I don't know me. Oh, I tell them. Oh, God, you sugar. Oh, God, you sugar. If you not near person, I don't know who it be. When I come near and see who it be, now I begin to drop back. A story of it. If you want to hear story, may I come analyze. You see that place where Monica Ford went for Dream Baileys at the come. We are going to analyze that place today. Today around 3, let us come and analyze. Are you joking with me? It's like you don't know me before. You think I'm the rest that you swallow on Facebook. You know that I'm the one that swallowed you before. And I'm still going to swallow you for this one. And this grace I will give you. You will not see who love you anymore. I make people to love you back. I start following impulse to impulse. Walao, walove, walao, wasei, walao, egbero, walao. All those lovers I give you, they are going to come back to me. You stupid. I'm not even mad because I say I'm working because it's poor. Without people, it cannot feed. I can't leave all my fans for her. Some people, they super chatter for Nigeria. All my lovers. I leave them boy. Thinking, carry my children. Bring my mother out too. My mother will soon come out too. Because I need to celebrate my mother's birthday. Bring her out too. Bring her out. Let me just block this idiot. Oh yeah. Because you know. You understand? Wow. Because of you. Why would my money come out with boy? The thing when you do me, Monica never do that. Now you fair go give our king this thing, say, put blood for you. But not be say we don't know. Over here, the man use a brain. You don't use brain. You can't go my work, go carry the picture, carry and give Monica. Monica's not say me use the brain. You can't fall for victim. Bah! Devil. You go to find people page no amu bottom. You go to find people success no amu bottom. How can you believe say your success you will success for life? How do you think you will be progress when you don't need people progress? Anybody that do makeup is bad, only you are all good. Anybody that sell clothes is bad, only you are all good. Igbevo ogbo elago. Ashawo no mama. Wow. Useless woman. As you can't do that one now, waiting you can't gain now. I bring my children, carry them, go bully them. Give your lovely one. Give all of them, let them bully my children. If they bully them, they'll tire. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, they'll tire. You think that one will weigh me down? Me or dog that one of his land. You will weigh me down. I put on in the afternoon, Mona come see more. The remaining my children and audio. Mona come. Mona come later. Agbole yakwa. I know they do saga. Melissa. When all you will sing, I don't want to bring your picture out. Never. I will never do that. Never. But people in Canada, they will bring your picture out. By the time I will describe you for a day will carry you because you spoil a day need too much. You know now. Behind women, I hear Jerry. So let me go and sleep. See you guys later. Today I'm going to party, guys. I'm going to party late, so. Oh, well. Because of bullying. No, let them bully my children. I just put them. I put them there. Let them bully my children. Let them bully it. We are on Facebook. Don't joke with me. Oh. Let them bully it. You see the way Monica take to wait, let her go get. If you see me a bully, you know why I don't want to go there. If I don't do your own before, now you will say, you know, I'm not going to win. I never want to bully people. Let them bully them. I purposely put it on social media. Let them bully my children. Whether I fake account, I will not tell you, say, there is investigator. Wow, go. You will bring that away from me. Oh, but you are real. I will fake account. A picture one where you're not carrying. Okay, you a picture is sent there. See, and what's that? Oh, where's war? Me we yaku. Ibi me. We are your bokaya because they always saga. Because ugwagwa. Ni mana yo bokawo. All right, now later. Bye, love. I love you guys. See you later around 3 o'clock when I'm ready for the party. So I will show you my dress. We do a live video a little bit before I go, okay? We talk a little bit. We have to talk about structure about these people. They're they be evil. Evil jam evil equals to evil. You see what they are doing? Because they are evil. I love you guys. Bye.